We train computer vision models to monitor every major source of emissions in the world.
Pollution levels in Kampala are very high.
And computer science has a role to play to create solutions.
One of the most important variables during a crisis is reliable information. To understand exactly what areas are going to be affected, we can then send those forecasts to individuals using search, maps, and Android notifications.
Imagine a system that integrates census data, poverty data, and overlay that with disaster data.
Our maps will help give directly target the areas with the highest need.
Read Along is a reading app for children so that their children can learn at their own pace.
Try to earn more stars this time.
He now loves to read.
Open Health Tech is a suite of open source components for building next generation healthcare apps, secure and adaptable to different healthcare settings.
One of the complications of diabetes is diabetic retinopathy. It causes blindness. So we were able to train a model to read these images. So people who did not have access now have access.
Communication is a basic human right. I believe technology can help bring down that barrier.
That is a support tool to help the community. It's a sense of freedom.